Every skilled person right now is asking the same question. Will AI take my job? Wrong question. AI is not coming for your skill. It is coming for the version of your skill that only exists inside your head. Here is what nobody is telling you. If you cannot write down exactly how you do what you do, step by step, decision by decision, your skill has no structure. And anything without structure is easy to copy, easy to approximate, easy to replace. This is not about how good you are. A brilliant skill with no documentation is still invisible to everything except you. The moment you stop showing up, it disappears. And the moment AI gets good enough to fake the output, it gets replaced. Most people think the fix is getting better at their craft, practicing more, sharpening the skill itself. That is treating the wrong symptom. The real fix is turning what is in your head into something outside your head. A system. Here is the model. Skill becomes system. System becomes scalable the moment AI can run parts of it for you. That is the sequence. Skill, system, AI, scale. Skill is where you already are. You know how to do the thing. That part is done. System is the part almost nobody does. You take every decision you make automatically. The ones you cannot even explain because they feel obvious to you. And you write them down in order, as a process, not a vague idea. An actual sequence someone else could follow and get the same result. The moment that sequence exits outside your head, something changes. It is no longer just a skill, it is infrastructure. And infrastructure is the only thing AI can actually scale. Watch what happens next. Once your process is documented, you can hand pieces of it to AI. Not the judgment, not the taste, just the repeatable steps, the parts that do not require you specifically, only the system you built. This is where most people get it backwards. They think AI replaces the skill. It does not. AI replaces the parts of your process that were never unique to begin with. The repetitive cuts, the first draft, the formatting, the setup. What is left is the part only you can do. Direction, judgment, taste, the decisions that required you to actually know what you are doing. That part gets more valuable, not less. Because now it is attached to a system that produces 10 times the output. Here is the test. Could someone else follow your exact process today and get your exact result? If yes, you have a system. If no, you have a skill sitting in a single point of failure, waiting to be replaced by anything faster. The creators who disappear over the next 2 years will not be the ones who lack talent. They will be the ones whose talent never left their head. The ones who win are doing one thing differently right now. They are documenting the obvious, the thing they do without thinking, because that is exactly what AI needs to scale it. Skill got you here. System makes you reproducible. AI makes you scalable. And scale is the only thing that compounds while you sleep. So the real question was, never will AI replace you. The real question is, have you written down what only exists in your head? Because if you have not, something will replace it, and it will not ask permission first.